Archbishop
Salifu
Amwako Wayadi because casket anybody wafa natali owie no ne asofo a ono mutu na mo bae enkabom ndi o kan say na omusika womode eba beboa na wotwe ene di we di na wotwe sangonya ochiremo a sika womode eboa na wotwe da no 9,000 Ghana cedis. 90 million. 80 bank no enche mo sabe kan sisi 90 million.
We ati for the o.
Baby aye de ma ye beje de. Ana omuriye ye no. Ana Nigerian. Prophet Nigerian.
You hunu TV so no.
Debi. One also say on the 10th 11th October a year na ye ba be yem cha wasi ensuo ni nyina
ebusiafo moto nsuo aye nnom
oso no aba supply ensuo no ensuo bia ye de basem wo ye na sidi wafa ensuo
ebusia munti o moto nsuo aye nnom ye be no masofo de
ensuo na chi no ensem bia de basem bia
Omafa.
Whatever governor Siama.
Whatever. Governor Sanye.
Whatever governor Siama.
Tum Sanye.
Ajakuraja.
Ojabedwe. Semensia.
The right fasting.
Whatever governor Siama.
Ajakuraja movement.
And no young boy,
what say? Amania ni amamre kwanso. What say the penifua ye nyina no? Abusapani. What say ono mepeja abefie. Ono akasa. Wo bebefie. Ade abusua tena se. No waje yie na boso. Na wadi ahaya wose ye pega ye mopa ye mfantisa nkonwa ye mopa mfantisa nkonwa wose ye ba na kaba ye ba na nibraba ye ba so a ye sere na boko ebe nyina ya somo church bi a wa kiro no me am ye muhye wose ye tu apono a no nsia bodi ye pega wey yemfa mo pa ni yemfa ti sango nyanti mo me pa me mo fa mo me pa nyam fo mo me ti sango nyano ina mse o mo fa mo ya pa ti am fo no mo fa mo ya pa se sika wey yemfa mo pa yemfa ti sango nyano 20 million
awon le sango nyano
mo me ti sango nyano be ti sango nyano
first ke bi am
ya bi da
what that is yano prophet preso say oni focus ya pa o TV so mama yako bezaya
ya be no nyamfo abiti asoda ye pa ona ya da chirbo na wo bontuduro prekase yera Eric ekuamua wono kase wose won chirem kase ni nyina bi sa anibra ba senior prophet enyame so frɛ wose na watudei wokuta binsam Ghana sikapa ekwa embebio masom brada na serida 100 million. Oh, bebo nsem dia bo. Mr. Eric Ekuamwa was saying mama in chile baby owo 10,000 Ghana cedis 100 million. Was say a mani abusia ensimu sabre ya fante kaso.
Abrezi eye awoki omkufo. They want to say eye Archbishop Salifu Amwako Wayadi because casket anybody wɔfa natade owiye no ne asɔfo a ɔno no to na mo bae no enka bom yɛmpɛsɛ bɛbɔ bi yɛdi ɔne ne mpanimfoɔ bae ɔma yɛ ɔne ne dɔm ne ma ɔne ne mma bae ɛnu sɛ ne ma no lɔya wɔ mu
wowɔ case afa kɔda wɔm bɛdi ama wo olusu case da lɔya kɛseɛ wo
ɛnyɛ sɛ ɔyɛ sɔfo nti no wobɛtumi akɔgu asɔɔdan n'ani akɔnsa instrument mu
wobɛdam
lɔya no ne agye ni ɔno te ɔno enti deɛ ɔka no sɛ na ɔmo sika a wɔmo de ɛba bɛboa nawɔtwe
ɛnɛ
ɔsɛ wei deɛ nawɔtwe
nawɔtwe yɛfa nsa nkonnwa
okyerɛ mu a ɔsɛ ɔmo ka bɔ mu no na menkɔgye ne pepa no ɔmo nsɛm
wotie o wokɔ yie no a mɔnso a woankɔ yie wokɔhwɛ adeɛ didi tie nsoa mɛmba no tɔfo ma no asase wo so wosee ma no de
ɔkyerɛ mu a sika a wɔmo de ɛboa nawɔtwe da no ɛyɛ 9,000 Ghana cedis 90 million eti bank no ɛnkyɛ mo nsa bɛka ne sisi a 90 million
wei ɛsɛ atiamefoɔ deɛ o
baabi a yɛyɛ deɛ ma yɛyɛ bɛgye deɛ ana ɔmo wieyɛ no ana Nigel Kezi prophet Nigel Kezi
a yɛhunu wɔ TV so no
debi yɛyi wɔn nso sɛ on the 10th 11th October ɛyɛ na yɛ ba bɛyɛ no saa wɔsi nsuo no nyinaa
abusuafoɔ motɔ nsuo a yɛ nom
ɔso ɔno abɛ supply nsuo no nsuo biara yɛde bɛsɛm wɔ yie n'ase bi wafa nsuo no
abusua mu nti a motɔ nsuo a yɛ nom yɛbɛnom asɔfoɔ deɛ
wɔse nsuo no akyi no ɛnsɛm bi a yɛde bɛsɛm biara
ɔmafa
ɔsɛ no so wafa na
abusua mokɔtɔ nsa a yɛ nom o
nsuo ne nsa ɔsɛ deɛ abusua panyin bɛnom abusua panyin deɛ ne yɛ white horse baabi ɔyɛ kasa papa no no
abusua mo tie ne yɛ o
fa ne kɔkyea fa sei
abusua mo tie ne yɛ o
sɛ nkɔ start
efi adaka
eti
atadeɛ
ɔsɛ nsa ne nyina wɔfɔ
nsuo nsa
wɔsɛ risky bi a
aburokyerɛ deɛ ne bi
abusua panyin bɛ no
abusua panyin wo deɛ no
risky amanne kɔ so wɔn ayɛ na mo pere wɔn monteki nyinaa wɔ mo record no nyinaa wei papa yi a wɔkyerɛ yi yɛfrɛ no prophet Adusai a ɔyɛ meyankasa mesɔfo ɛberɛ na mete nkran ɛberɛ na mete Accra ɔdɔkɔ Alabama ɛhɔ na naasɔre no na ɔde ɛbɛka wɔn sɛ wɔkyerɛ no Prophet Prince Osei Jibacho wa Prophet Prince na kasa me jante ma ba ko pe won na kasa yi na mutie bi odi fo sia ma ya no atie bi wadama ya company fo atie bi ma wo ka wo pa na sani a Prophet Prince Osei kasa sie ni wo so ba ya ne nsem 10 parts of water 10 parts in way 10 parts what is going on ko ya kan ya ni apega 10 parts of water ana sika da chire eye 2,000 Ghana cedis wey your prophet praise you do ti oja banje no ono be chia ye no ono chia wie yi o ka so kwa o be ja o kwan no ono 2,000 Ghana
prophet oja banje
amani ekwanso tie asirafo ko danse 7,000
sefa beme
ono ti oja banje no
sefa tie
ayi amonye 70
woni mbiribi
na jigezi wa yadi ensuo ne nsa ne nyina wafa
tie ebisu ba tie
na ebisu ba
tie
fatu ne re whether I didn't get to. And yes, I'm going to rapid Jacopo. I'm ready. Chayasa. What if we're going to Siama? What if we? What if we're going to Siama? To say you are Jakura. Oh, Yamadway. Samancia. They're running faster. What if we're going to Siama? Ajabraja movement. And no young boy, Ajabonusia, or say, Yanan never was say, or your corner new, or your corner, a corner for what? I was up at you all, and a corner for Surat. I was up at you all. Bishop, what do many Munchie and Yabusia? Whatever was there, or Sasa or Fabio de Tre. Emuntemunu Dadiako Usuapo, or any problem, what do you mean? What do I say? Apima Piazzi. What does this mean? So, Baba Casao was say, a Mandiania Mamma Quanso was it your penny fire? I was a penny, was it or no Nepeja Abbey? Or Wakasa, or the Bethie, and you push out Nancy. What do you hear? Now, when you hire, was say, your Peja, your papa, your fancy Sankoyan, your papa, and fancy Sankoyan, or see a year by the Kaba, a year by the Libraba, a year Baswa, yes, sir. Now, what were they in our sumo? And sure, young fan some about 15 million. And you go, Nebuam, 15 million, or the Sikanaba, 15 million to convert into water packs, about 50 packs of water. And you with your zodiac, I didn't read a sandbag. What you are not read? See, Bema na Casano. What's it? Casatenti and Topongo. Agronifo. Ebusapeni. Edumrei. Aya nantem. No therefore bebefie. Sabi ke so ati ase. Church bi a wa kiro no, me am yam hye. What's it? You two are puna. No, see a body a peja. Way, young family pa, me and Fancy Sanko Yanti, Mompa, me, Mompa. And Conan for Mompa Sankoyano. And I'm sure I'm from my party, I'm from my party. There's a way, young family pa, me and Fancy Sanko Yanti. 20 million. I will listen to Mompa Sanko Yanti. First, Ajabraja movement. Or since you are young fans, who are one watching, I have 50 packs. Papa Didi. Papa, my money, I didn't know in a money. Let's say a money, and you soon didn't know that. And you're tossing in Kunyan Bata. Sir, but see the fancy, sir. That dear Canadian. She will be a Gitano. Jesus Christ. What's it? Abusha Penny Bema Nakasayo, and yet Bema Biani Bema. Bema, you will crack in a waputokra, in a work crack on Concron and Casa. What's it? What were best year a man and Mamma Quasso? I be sitting in the Archbishop Penny and the Archbishop. Siawa, why are they wapring there? Sika Babu was in Nadia, I told you that bank for Naji. Indeed, our bank for no. I said, for Unimachi, Mamma Minia don't think, Yakodasi. A poor nana. A poor brief for a poor a man so. We bet you a bushia said, yeah, why you know, a solid fool.
na nipa yɛ adeɛ ɔsa yie
ɛne mpanimfoɔ
a asida ɛna yɛde brɛ no sɛ kwan mede mu a si mmarima pɛ amammerɛ kwan so nti ne nyinaa no mo nyinaa mo deɛ ma adeɛ asom me ne me mpanimfoɔ yi ɛbɛkɔ simba mammerɛ kwan so ojaba se famille ja kwan ti to aso
prophet aso ba chia asere wako saa na tie oni mama ne on sore nko keke obefo monim obechia chi obi obi fosiama eye ajagoraja bese owu ni tv so a wa we ya obega say papa we o masa o ye very simple bra bese sa wodi ni ko ma besere sa na sore mana na ekọ no ama na ekọ so na pretty for pa what you say agbala no di ni je no
o de afọ kra o
ono ye junior apostle wow wasira kwai ochiache mu nyina opeja ne nsa no opeja bi na yafe onso ochia hedi panani edi wedi tu ba bi hedi ne peja onsa na heba bi ebe ne ejo so ado what about chia mi de bi ani mo no
Wabao yoga edinka
Shamba Wabao Wabakrebu ina Prophet Obina Bishop Obina na Jero Obina Chumina Wabao Pia Sanity
my bed so drunk me now. What's the fun? I know the love will the day in your mind.
That's right.
Prophet Ajimai Prempe
After me show me who. Okay. Moses classmate.
Prophet Ajimai Prepe Wabadu Sabre Wawu Abubuano Awoba Mania Council Archbishop Shamba Baby Obi Omatinasi Ohima by Brother Kabachia, no mamma, Mamma Transmame. Ohima Transmeba, member special audience. HBiana, Prophet Efrene saying, Gomina Siama, Ababedu, and see Yabese, Yabapa Nebano. Sabre, Prophet, Ajima Prepe, Wabaduana. Prophet Ajima Prepe edini ya mbobati enimu no timo fa nkyere ne yewo so ni ono dikana ono tozu ni no Prophet Ajima Prepe na ajia no me emi ne be na di enimu no ono ne chia me na di enimu no amade gwanso Reverend Prophet Ajima Prepe one ne pedifo yenga ne tie se Prophet Jakwa na so for the kind of home. Asabre almost so chia mania gwaso. Pamucho we are momentina a deep for him. Ebra Mochia Shambak Archbishop Shambak Bomodianati Archbishop Bomodiati and somebody Nakame Bobatina Metram Waba because as I would see a year Shambak School of the Prophet alumni were 33rd batch 33rd one more graduate no graduation atoso 33rd batch one more ana yeka one more assembly Bishop Prepe Prophet pa anajiano amane kwanza kwa mane tra ya na omeyen na ye gina ya mre Bishop Papa ya mwakwaba Prophet Prepe wontini wa wona ne ye twea Archbishop ankasa sori be mwakwaba amane kwanza ene ebusuan kai Nicholas ene de ne obasoro za akwaba ngwa bena meka chira onye izi adwuma na di obapada fomu a di papa aya mama Nicholas entenase oye eba asedafo onkam why osori amoma entenase sanity akwaba yes obeduku atofom wa oduku ayira ene se ano oba no be yiwade tiatia wa oduku ayira bi abra no bi ehun se wo na oduku ayira body as here every year Archbishop Shambak a year Shamba School of the Prophet alumni 33rd batch one at also 33 one as Habre one more Kasei one more Chemo say and I'm also and Naomi United Miyako prophetic school only the prophetic school by senior prophet Bogusia why ya dear papa because on no ma prophetic school no enya value ma adifo no omudi eho ba nyam e ma nimdie se wo de handle prophecy sabi nkom sheba e so de wisdom e ka ho ni nyina wo no church se na me nyina ma na school ya ekese ama Shamba School of Prophet yenya 33rd batch wo so abayo mo se musika e 10 million cedis Archbishop Shamba esi usam na enka eye abusuana onipa odi omani by Apostle Ofori Akoto, one of your principal. Apostle Ofori Akoto, one and a year principal, a year Shamba School of the Prophets. 33rd batch, and one more and 10 million Abedawi. And no Germano, a year Shamba School of the Prophets, way a year. Batches here, enche ya muri enche ye no. 41st batch. 41st, and I'm making a 41 batch. 40, I was you on our church of Noy. I'm watching 41, I'm gonna say. And I'm making a 41 batch. I don't want to sorry, but you know, yeah, Juma, what's the other? What's that? 41st batch, and I can say, Omani 40th batch, Womani 38th batch, Anna 39th batch, Anna 37th batch. So batch see about 5 batches. Omujina batches wojina nega say. Womuso ba yomuso musika. Aye 16 million cedis. 1,600 Ghana cedis. Womo say, womo school for the home. Amanya kwasotie. Yes, sorry, na odi ateka so. Aye, yaba for Yakoto and do many buy. And no trouble. Aye, Chantel. Me am Chantel bakupe odi. Aye, ukunu. Wa ukunu. Nabusia formachia. Poso tikebu ama. Aye, nabusia for na ekasano. Ensuo 15 ensamenza afei sika dachire eye 20 million 2,000 Ghana cedis woma yade na mo penu wo mo asira fo no mo mogodo masi hello mo hwe wo fa no mo sefa mamenko mumusa Chantal na wo kuno busia fo no se yo ojabedu apima odi simpie so won senda wona oyiri pebre archbishop wada o ma o tie mene aya wa wo ba Chantal edidi mia niko aya mudofo bi ya feno Edward ne ma me de Vida Oforiwa omo no mo kasei wo mo se anye sabri no mo be kire puse mu akese adi braba ye di na watching Edward ne mame ene Vida Oforiwa ane abusuani na omo baya omo si diko wuru ni Chantal 5,500,000 Ghana cedis esi mu nsem onyuruju a mo fante kaso adu twemo no aye Reverend Chum abusia omo so baya omo si kete wese ya fanta gomnyamu from 100 Ghana cedis omo nyina ya de won pre won asidafo mo meje na mo nase aye Edward ne mame ne Vida Oforiwa na Reverend Chum abusia amozi na onze entoma we empada o ya bi we papa fabric no we de ye no na we prophet Opokusia oma customizing one say ya chiro mo senior prophet Opokusia kosia da ya de besom on the 12th aye ni 10th 11th 12th October it we na busuafo no oma man how many years yeah the 44 baby odia oma ye 33 ebesu ye eti MC for no Archbishop Shamba yo adu chamo no Archbishop wadaru matio Archbishop eyawa konta Reverend Samuel Inkum odina busuya na kasei wase oye Archbishop a ode abusuam Yesu Kristo kura no de abusuam Yesu Kristo no ye duanani so ana oye breakthrough oye asona Yesu Kristo no asona Yesu Kristo no asona
Archbishop wakonta Reverend Samuel Inkum odina bushia osi we ensim sem na nka bushia ni na mo fanka konyangu for 500 Ghana cedis anu chemu no Archbishop wa ubabako aye odifo ba Margaret onu se 500 Ghana cedis ensim sebo onyuju a ye fan so ma hokwo o ma yade won pre won eh mame di asidan komo asidafo mo bra o fa asidan ma madam asofo ni na yesi Yesu Kristo no ya hwene ni no pre da
Reverend Prophet Achiman nyasam yake na dia nyina ne senior prophet opokosia woni na de kon nakrana ne papa no no odi obo ne ne biema no amani abaso ko na owo ba ye eye ne wonwa papa wote yesa ne papa na fom asam ne bo no to ya wanye ni da ena ana wanje ni pa sabi abaye nya ba wo ba ye ne wura ho so te woni asam no abombo na boto so se wa ni be na papa oni papa bi wa janka eti prophet prepare ajeman ana e ka sei shamba papa so ba ya we ye na wotweda ana woni wabusu adi ontimi batena se sori nko wo so ba ya ne nsam sika aye 10,000 Ghana cedis
100 million
10,000 100 million osi we na wotweda eti no oba kura no wan she dan fa ne bag
wan she dan fa bag
wan fa bag
100 million ne ko fa bag
na wallet bi a na da dining table so ono pegi a ohwe na say 100 million ono dem the wallet is 100 million why ya de na mo pere no e
awie
asena for no money di o mo pere no e
echi de bunim
asena for no
sefa
komo de asena for
ayare for do yi wo fi hospital ho no omo se ya mfre no prophet o wonu bi omo de man ayare for no
dani
benka jere ayare for no ko yi wo no no mu nye sika free wo no ko yi wo omo frɛ no ɔdi akra just waji wo
waji akra no 100 million
waji akra
wa ya de nyame sha no twa Reverend Stephen apa wona na yere na ka sai wo so de ma shamba emma no aya Nicholas ane mia kasanga minia baba kompe me chante also by an sika 5 million 500 Ghana cedi osemonye na mo fatika na so ma na mo pene wo mo e that's easy ene me wanda who's goose are this oh enye easy profession bag ayi ni enton suda
wodi akra nyame nto nkwandam nyame fa na sumdue ento so
papa nyame shira
me say that no hospital won pro yes be busumi ni central hospital here na wo bia wo ni kurukura ye hunu wo bia wo show bi ni nsan amana ko ye hunu and it's not for this day ya na ya mo ngwana no ya ni ya yo papa you baby na asam no prayer abra ko ne baby so ba nyem no nya bo so me so bo so me sia ya yi akola no ade ni chef die mu no e ho no no me say no so be say me ne le bo anan ko ye me regional minister ni mpanifo bi papa mo ni yo
ya da masi enso amode ne to so bi no ye penada na si eye mamewe Yeah, papa, your buy ye. Reverend Stemy, why? Reverend Stemy, on a year. Oh, only one and a see. On a year, 5 million. Share. Look at the 5 million in the form. Yeah, young boy, I just don't see him. Don't see him. Yeah, didn't I watch it? Fake coffee. I your number tell them. No, sorry, I'm sorry. Now, and Tama, Kwesiada. Ya de papa de nyame asini wo de kosomwe testano and tamano what me say factory ko ye no wo be fra fisia bebre ntamani ya correct me no mi no o shamba bo man epo archbishop o so be me ya poni ya pam up and down this is a shop for line and tamayo eni edi be na watweda ze kisra ayi da no Kwesiada where they are best friend yakoda nyame ase enie hweliye ti asori baby Sunday Sunday na dem say event say oji akra Kwesiada no nya asori won baba na ase asori oji akra baba ha oji akra prophet rempe ahaya no baba na ase asori oji akra prophet na prophet jakwa won say ne chiame na asori no oni Prophet Jakwa de so me ba be ka kire. The right hand man ni. Me ba be ka Jakwa de na kire. On the mountain. Ama be ka. I be see ya. The chairman wa. What that here? Prophet Preso say. Odi focus your power team so. Mama yako. Messiah. Afano meta. Against the sun so for me. Oceania we radio fataye. Oh, fantastic. I'm not in the back. I say that's the and now when I get to a new one of the doom, who see a papa de be on ton of one of the doom. A year Archbishop Duncan Williams, and as Abre, while running Papa Wadia share a year named May Bakua, Deche, or the other 50 years, a Dini now a year Archbishop Duncan Williams, bravo, Negaso Trebua, not getting and senior prophet Opokusia. Oni na na yadwuma baako asemi ba ye wate na kono aka saba ana bibi esenka no wosia yidane die October 10th October 11th October 12th obeba bede kromu ha na oni yina boma yayi no Jackson Park Kofodua na Archbishop Duncan Williams say what you asem no ye nwa na we yakwa na wotweda enu to oba ya ne nsem sika ye ni kakra yi fantasy gunya 20 million cedis e man player 2000 Ghana ye ni fantasy gunya enti ebra wo wi ye pe ana bishop o say tutu a ono so takorade ono so antimi amba ana woro na pabo de she chia me ya ono so ba ye 2000 Ghana cedis